Hello everyone, I'm Devlina Banerjee and welcome you all in my week 1 presentation of this dashboard powered by Alpha AI. So this week we worked on a Superstore dataset which is based in USA. This report mainly caters to the sales head or the sales manager. As we can see, the sales figure are from 2016 to 2019 across different quarters. The category of the products in this Superstore ranges from furniture to office supply to technology. In the last 2 years, we can see the sales of technology products have been on the higher side, exceeding $100,000 in the last quarter of 2019, and printer being the top most product. And most of these products are sold in the region of California and New York. Also, if we see the furniture category, we can see that we can target more buyers on the south and central region for furniture. We can see this as a potential market to set up stores and increase the sales for future purpose. Thank you.